When your Hyundai shows the message critical forward safety functions are limited, the first reaction is usually, "What's going on? Did everything break?" Relax, not necessarily. What the car is basically telling you is, "Hey, some of my front safety systems aren't working at 100% right now." This includes things like automatic braking, collision warning, or the front radar. In short, the car is taking precautions and letting you know that these functions are limited. The interesting thing is that, in many cases, the message appears due to external factors, not a serious failure. For example, if there's snow, mud, rain, or even water droplets on the front camera or radar, the system loses a clear view and decides it's safer to limit its functions. Owners on forums report that simply cleaning the sensors and camera usually makes the warning disappear almost immediately. Another common detail mentioned in comments is that the weather can play tricks on the system. Cold days, fog, or strong sun glare can confuse the radar or camera, and the system interprets that something isn't right. That's why sometimes the message appears and then disappears on its own without you doing anything. It's like the car is saying, "I can't see clearly, better go into precaution mode." If cleaning the sensors and waiting a bit doesn't work, many owners recommend restarting the car, turn it off, wait a few seconds, and start it again. In many cases, this resets the system and the message goes away. But if the warning persists, then it's time for a more serious diagnostic, because a sensor could be misaligned, damaged, or need recalibration at a shop. Another pattern seen in forums is that this message can come along with alerts like radar blocked or forward collision avoidance assist disabled. This confirms that the car is limiting important functions due to sensor vision issues, not because a major mechanical part broke. Mechanics agree. First clean, then check alignment, and if necessary, recalibrate or replace the sensors.